corrected it here. So please do check this and you'll get this value as your final result. Okay, moving on to our next kind of question, that is HT, that is find the step response. We know the step response का हम लोगों ने formula निकाला था. What was the formula? H of t, I'm sorry, h of tau d tau, h of tau d tau integration minus infinity set t. So this is your unit step response. Unit step response. This is what we got in our previous video lecture. Yes or no? So if you do this, so let's do first number one, first question. Let's solve this. So 3t, 3 tau, u of tau. Okay, h of tau is here, no? D tau minus infinity to t. Now I need to remove this u of tau. U of tau remove हो जाएगा, तो u of tau that means ये 1 कब होगा? जब इंटरवल होगा 0 से t तक. Clear? So we got a 3 tau d tau, that is from 0 to t. So we got value here 3 into this is the value that you will get for question number 1. So ST will be 3 by 2 t square into u of t. Clear? Now for this question h of t is equals to u of t plus 2. उसके लिए करते हैं. So the step response s of t will be how much? U of tau plus 2 d tau from minus infinity to t. Now look here carefully, this value will give you non-zero values at the interval when t plus 2 is greater than equals to 0. That means tau is greater than equals to minus 2. That means the limit, if you change the limit minus 2 to t, this value will become 1. This value became 1 if you change the limit minus 2 to t. Clear? So we'll do that. We did that here. So this value will come out to be what? T minus 2 to say t. That means, I'm sorry, tau, that is minus 2 to t. That means t plus 2. So t plus 2 for u greater than equals to minus 2. Yes or no? So your value will get t plus 2 whole into u of t plus 2. Clear? This is the value that you are going to get. So the s of t value you will get here t plus 2, I'm sorry, t plus 2. So this is the value you're going to get, t plus 2 u of t plus 2. Similarly, if you find out for this one, so if you take, so that means tau minus 2 d tau, that means tau minus 2 will be greater than equals to 0. That means tau will be greater than equals to 2. Tau will be greater than equals to 2. That means this limit will be defined from 2 to t. Correct? So if you find out 2 to t, that means t minus 2. Correct? So t minus 2 means how much? T minus 2 means how much? It will going to give you t minus 2 for u greater than equals to 2. So t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. Clear? So you will get here s of t is equals to t minus 2 u of t minus 2. Clear this concept? Now I want you to find it out this one. Okay, find out this one and you'll get s of t will be equals to you'll get a step response for this one. Step response, that is s of t will be equals to 2t for t greater than equals to 2 for this question. You'll get this as to be answer. These are the basic questions. Please do practice before getting to the advanced level. These are very simple questions Okay, now in the next video lecture we'll get into a little bit advanced level of pattern of concepts, formulas, like will be involvement of impulse functions. There will be beautiful concepts that we'll go through, and these are very simple and silly questions. Please do practice out by yourself. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Do watch our next video lecture. Till then, bye.